Welcome back to Soulful AIP. It's the holiday season, and pie is always on the dessert list at my family functions. Now, when it comes to pie, there's always this debate: which is better, sweet potato or pumpkin? While I feel it's more of a preference, to be honest, they taste pretty similar to me. Now, I'm going to share a recipe with you that is great no matter what you decide to use. I've used the recipe ingredients to make pumpkin pie, and I've used the recipe ingredients to make sweet potato pie. And as for this picture, I'll let you in on a secret. This day, I mixed them both. When I was working out the recipe, I couldn't decide which one to test first. My son asked for a pumpkin pie, my husband asked for sweet potato, so I gave them both. Boom. Now I assure you that no matter what you prefer, it'll be great. Now, I hope you enjoy this recipe for an AIP compliant pie. Whether you decide to make it a pumpkin pie or a sweet potato, whether you decide to use mashed or canned or a little bit of both, this recipe is extremely versatile. I bet it would be awesome and a little colorful if you tried using purple sweet potato. Now, my favorite way to make this is to actually crumble the crust on the top and bake it for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees to let the top get crispy and toasty. And then I serve it with some whipped cinnamon coconut cream on top. Comment and let me know if you're team sweet potato or team pumpkin, or maybe you're team both, like me. Leave a like and be sure to check out my other AIP compliant holiday favorites. Thanks for watching. Soulful AIP.